This banga soup is given. I call it premium banga soup. Very delicious. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
The first step is to cook your protein. I'm using oxtail. You may also stick with fish, so feel free to use any proteins of your choice. I'll proceed by adding my seasoning cubes, chopped onions, and salt to taste. I'll stir well to combine and allow it to steam cook for 6 to 8 minutes on a medium heat.
This food is yummy, yummy.
8 minutes later, I check on it and add my stockfish fillet. Add enough water that will be enough to cook the proteins. Cover and allow it to cook until 80% cooked. Once that is done, I will add my palm fruit concentrates. I dissolved with hot water and allow it to settle before adding it. So make sure you do same because sand always settles at the bottom and you don't want that in your soup. At this time, I will add other proteins: smoked catfish, fresh catfish, blended Scotch bonnet peppers, crayfish, seasoning cubes, and banga spice. I will gently stir, cover, and allow it to cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
10 minutes later, I check on it and I love the consistency. Next, I will add my fresh prawns and banga leaves. Stir well to combine and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes.
This food is yummy, yummy. Delicious.
Five minutes later, we are done cooking. I hope you give it a try. Very delicious. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.